Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Crystal Clear Curls. I am Crystal, and today we are doing the first wash of 2024. And as you can see, I am still straight-ish. I have now had this for over 3 weeks now. So it is time for it to go, and I'm ready to see my curls. And I'm hoping that there's no damage to my curls because I did 2 blowouts back to back, so I don't think that there will be, but fingers crossed still. Today I'm using Olaplex number 3, 4, and 5. Just want to go ahead and start repairing those buns that are broken anytime that you straighten your hair. And here we go. One of my favorite things is to watch my hair go from straight to curly. I didn't include a very long clip of this, but I did want you to see that literally all it took was some water to bring those curls back. So first I'm going in with the Olaplex number 3. So this is the Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector, which is pretty much the star of the show. It is great for repairing as well as preventing hair damage. And anytime you're doing bond repair, you're repairing those bonds from the inside out. And so anytime we straighten our hair, just know that we're breaking down those bonds. Well, this is me building them back up. So the instructions say to leave it on for at least 10 minutes. We're at least gonna go 10 just to get the full, my scalp itching so bad. Just to get the full experience. I've been using it, so it's not my first time using it. I've been using it often, at least once a month since November, October maybe? October or November, so either 3 or 4 months. And I don't know that I'm supposed to see, like a direct, oh, this is doing this, except for the fact that my curls are staying intact. My curls don't want to stay in a bun. But let me go ahead and put a plastic cap on this, and then I'll be back when it's time to rinse it out and to start with the number 4, which is the bun maintenance shampoo. can definitely feel my curls reviving, which I'm so freaking excited about. And so now I'm about to go in with the number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I actually really like this shampoo. I love this Olaplex shampoo. My favorite thing about it is the lather. It has an amazing lather and it leaves your hair feeling clean but not stripped. So it's time to go in now with the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna also do a deep conditioner or not. I don't know. I may wait till next wash day to do a deep conditioner. I mean, this is treatment day, but like I'm tired already. Okay, so happy and so glad to see my curls again, but I don't know, they ain't feeling like I know they are supposed to feel. So I think I am going to go in with a deep conditioner, but that is the end of this video. I still love Olaplex, and I'm just wondering if I should have added a clarifying shampoo within this routine. Probably, but I'm gonna do a deep conditioner, see if I can get my hair to feeling like I like it to feel. But that's all. I'll see y'all later. Bye.